Ariana here, and it is day 4 of Inktober. So if you don't know, Inktober was created by Jake Ryan back in 2009, and he created it as a way for him to just practice his drawing, and he created prompts for every day of October. And then it really just blew up on social media, and people started getting in on it, and now it's just this big thing. And it's just a great way to practice your drawing, hone your skills, or maybe even practice something new. And it's just great to have the prompts. So today's prompt, October 4th, is spell. And this one I was going back and forth. I had a bunch of different ideas for it. In fact, I might do another one. So we'll see. So the first idea I had was double trouble, so I really wanted to do that for the spell, just as like a witch's brew. So if you're just jumping in and this is your first Inktober video of mine that you're watching, what I'm doing is I'm creating wine labels every day for the month of October so that I'll have 31 at the end of the month. I've just really been wanting to design wine labels and just like experiment with it, but I couldn't think of any names for wines. So having these prompts was just a perfect way to get inspiration for imagery and then also titles for these quote-unquote wines. So if you notice, I'll put like subtle hints that they're wine labels in each one. So like today I put Witch's Distillery, established 1999, which is actually the year that the Blair Witch Project movie came out. So kind of just picking up little subtle cues right there. And then I just drew in some other things that I would think would go in like a witch's brew for a spell. So I put a little pumpkin, some feathers, a bone, an eyeball, and then just some smoke and bubbles. So yeah, I'm gonna put the music on. I hope you're enjoying this series so far. Definitely check in the description on what pens I used for this one. I only stuck to Microns this time. Actually, just kidding. I used a Winsor & pen. I was only gonna do Microns, but it switched it up. Anyways, and then also check out my Instagram. It is ariana.dtrez, where I'm sharing all of these drawings. So again, I'll put it all in the description below. Hope you enjoy. Thanks so much for watching.